Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Amazon credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in amazon.syf.com and press enter on your keyboard. Now, in the access your account text boxes, go ahead and type in your user ID associated with your account and enter your password on the next field. If you've forgotten your user ID or your password, you can click on the Forgot My User ID or Password link and follow through the on-screen prompts in order to find your credentials. After filling in your user ID and password, click on the Secure Login button, and that is how you can easily log into your Amazon credit card online. With your Amazon Secure Credit Card, you can view your activity, your balances, go paperless, make a payment, or set up for autopay. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.